Today I'm going to explain the skew function on the Quadra Chek digital readout. What skew does is it will electronically square up your part so you don't get cosine errors when your part is not aligned correctly to the screen. So the first thing I'm going to do is explain how it works. I'm going to line up my crosshairs to my corner here. And I'm going to establish a 0, 0 on that corner. Now because the parts tilt, if I go from one end of the part to the other, even though that top line is 0, you'll see that I have an error of 73 thousandths because of the tilt of the part. So what I want to do is I want to skew to that top line, the x-axis, and create a 0 point all the way across. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to come back to my first position here. I'm going to press the skew key. The machine turns the skew on. It asks me for points. They're looking for a number of 2 points, a maximum of 99. So we're going to enter my first position here. I'll take 3 points for this example. Take one in the middle. And I'll take one at the far end. Enter the third point. When you're done entering your points, you tell the machine you're finished by pressing the finish key, and it calculates the skew. Now you'll notice it zeroes the x and the y. The x0 is an arbitrary 0 position, but the y is more important to us because the y is going to be 0 along that skew line. So now if I go across that line, that reference edge, you'll notice that as I move the x-axis, the y automatically calculates. So it's compensating for the deviation of the edge. And get back up to the edge, we're back on 0. So now that I skewed that edge, everything I measure is going to be perpendicular or parallel to that edge. So if I do the straight line distance across here, I zero my x, I go across the part. Even though the part is slanted, when I come to the other side, I can get my distance, 2511. Now, if the part was made correctly, and because the machine is skewed, we should have that same dimension all the way across the whole thickness, regardless of the tilt of the part.